Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Can you hear me, beta? Is my voice clear? Assalamu
Yes,
alaikum.
Miss.
Okay, beta. Turn off your mics. Thank you so much, beta. Turn off your mics. Okay. Okay, beta. Turn off your mics and turn on your cameras as well. Turn on your cameras.
मिस मैं कंप्यूटर से क्लास ले रही हूँ तो मेरी
Okay, beta.
कंप्यूटर की
Okay.
कैमरा नहीं चल रही।
Okay, it's okay. अभी मैंने ये खोली है। वॉल्यूम थोड़ा कम। What is the problem? Okay, better turn off your mics and also turn on your cameras. Okay, Maida, Faliha, beta, turn on your cameras. And today we are going to discuss the chapter Land and Climate. And our today's topic is location of Pakistan and also the importance of, especially we are going to discuss the importance of location of Pakistan. Actually, this is your review lecture, so you have to revise your topic right now. Open your books and revise your topic. Hurry up, beta, and after that, I will ask you the question, and you have to write down these question in this lecture, and I will give you specific time, and in this time you have to write down the answers, and then you will show me these answers. So prepare your loose sheets. If you have any notebook, rough notebook, then you can write on that notebook, but you have to do these questions on your loose sheets or any rough notebook. Is it clear? So take your rough notebooks or take the loose sheets and write at the top of your sheet or copy a revision test, and then you have to give me the answers. So open your books, first of all, page number 49, and from page number 49 till page number 50 we are going to discuss in the shape of a review. So I will give you especially the review of the importance of the location of Pakistan. So beta, turn off, all of you turn off your mics, beta, and turn on your cameras. Hurry up, turn on your cameras. Is it clear? Okay. Okay, beta, be ready for your test. Take your pens and take your rough notebooks or your loose sheets. And now we are going to discuss, first of all, our today's topic. So we have discussed this topic in our previous class, in our physical classes as well, and I also discussed this topic with you in our virtual classes. So first of all, as I told you, that this is your revision lecture, and the topic is, the chapter is Land and Climate of Pakistan, and today we are going to discuss the topic, importance of uh, the location of Pakistan or importance of Pakistan's location. Is it clear? So first of all, we are going to discuss the actually location of Pakistan. Islamic Republic of Pakistan is located between the latitude of 23.35 degree to 37.5 degree north and extends from longitude 60.50 to 77.50 east, covering an area of um, 7,96,096 square kilometers. Underline these lines. First of all, you have to underline these lines. So Pakistan is consist of, as you know, four provinces, and which are these provinces? Like Punjab, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Sindh, and Balochistan. And then Pakistan has also an area of tribal area of Fata. And I told you in my physical classes in detail about the tribal area of Fata. So it means federally administered tribal areas. Some areas of some tribal areas which are not administered by any province, but these areas, these tribal areas, are directly administered by federal, or you can say capital, or the government of federal. Is it clear? That's why these areas are called Fata. And after that, we have also the is some areas or region of Azad Jammu Kashmir with us, and a unit like province Gilgit Baltistan is also located in the location of Pakistan. Is it clear? Okay, miss. Who is this beta? Abdul's iPad. Who is this beta? Turn on your camera. Otherwise, I will remove you. Show me your face, beta. Otherwise, I will block you. Okay, who is this? Turn on your camera, beta. All of you, better turn on your cameras. Hurry up. Turn on your cameras. Okay. Rest of the students, you all have to turn on your cameras. Okay, Falak, share. Yes, Zimil, I can see your copy. Beta, prepare your copies. I said that if you have any rough notebook, you can answer the questions on those copies which are rough copies, your rough copy, or you can write down the answers on your loose sheets. Okay. Yes, Ishal. Falak, share, beta, turn on your camera. Okay, so we are going to discuss the importance of the location of Pakistan. So some important points are here on your screen. You can see that Pakistan is connected with China, and where it is connected with China, it is connected with China in north, and then you can see that this highway here is the Karakoram Highway, connects China and Pakistan by land, and then you can see that Pakistan also gives a transit route to Afghanistan, and in the west of China, there is a narrow strip of Bakan. This is called also called the tongue of Bakan. Is it clear? So, beta, read carefully these important points, and after that, I will ask the questions regarding these important points, and you have to give me the answers. Is it clear? So next one is uh, about India, and you can see that India lies to the east of Pakistan, and in the east of Pakistan are the Muslim countries. Also, there are some Muslim countries like Bangladesh, Malaysia, Indonesia, and Brunei Darul Islam. Pakistan enjoys very good relationship with these countries, and then you can see that Iran is on the southwest border of Pakistan, and Pakistan is also situated near the oil producing countries, which are called also called Gulf countries, and these are all the oil producing countries, and these are in the middle of Muslim world, stretched from Morocco in the west to Indonesia in the east. Is it clear? So Pakistan also maintains very friendly relationships with the Muslim countries, and Saudi Arabia, especially, and UAE. These both of these countries, Muslim countries, are like just like a second home for the Pakistanis. Is it clear? And then we have also an international harbor and airport in Karachi, and we have also great ancient civilizations which are called Indus Valley civilizations, and which are these civilizations? Gandhara, and these especially Gandhara, and you know about the other civilizations of Indus, which are called Indus Valley civilization, like Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. And then you know that we have some part of Azad Jammu Kashmir with us, and the some part of Kashmir which is occupied by India, and there is a great major dispute between Pakistan and India regarding Kashmir. So Pakistan is also the seventh atomic nation of the world and enjoys high prestige in the Muslim world. It is also an advanced country in certain technologies. Is it clear? So these are the most important things and most important points of the which are very much important regarding the Pakistan's location. So now be ready for your test, and write down today's date, and then you have to write at the top of your page a revision test, and then you have to give me the answers. So show me your copies one by one. I can see the Muhammad Abdur Rahman's copy, then Sheroz. Yes, Sheroz. Laiba beta, show me your copy or page. If you have any copy, then you can show me. Nurulan beta, turn on your camera. Yes, beta. Yes, Abdur Rahman. Okay. Hafsa Shahzad beta, Hamza Mujtaba, turn on your cameras. Muhammad Hassan. Hassan, Rohab Iqbal beta, turn on your camera. And okay. Beta, all of you turn on your cameras. Hurry up and show me your copy. Yes, Nurulan, show me your copy. Yes, Rumesa, I can see your book. Now be ready. Yes, Hassan, Muhammad Hassan, Shiza. Yes, beta, all of you prepare your today's page. And okay, I can see your copy, Muhammad Hassan. Well done. Okay, now we are going to start our test. So, first question is, write down the location, exact location of Pakistan. Write down the location of Pakistan. Okay, beta, you have 5 minutes to write the answer of this question. Beta, turn off your books now. Rumesa, beta, start writing. Start writing, beta. Write down the location of Pakistan. Yes, Muhammad Hassan. Yes. Write down the answer. Beta, I will give you specific time. So be focused towards your test, and I will consider the answer with only within 5 minutes. Then you have to write down the next question. Okay, Muhammad Hassan. Who will give me the answer of this question? Faliha, beta, can you tell me the answer? Just a minute, Hamza, beta.
मिस मेरा आपने तो रिवीजन का कहा ही नहीं था।
बेटा, आप फोकस करें अपने लेक्चर की तरफ। अभी मैंने आपको इसके इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट्स बताए। वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड मैनी टाइम्स दिस टॉपिक in the physical classes and in virtual classes also. Okay, Hamza beta,
Yes,
give me the
miss.
answer. Yes, yes, Faleha, are you there?
मिस हम
Okay.
लोग फिर बुक से देखकर आंसर लिख सकते हैं।
Miss, Pakistan is located in the South Asia.
Yes, and yes, wait a minute beta. Okay, Maida beta, tell me the answer.
Pakistan is located in the Setic region. It is located near the oil-producing Gulf countries in the middle of Muslim world.
Okay, very good. So exact, yes, Falia. I want to ask I want to take the answer from Faliha's side. Okay, beta Faliha, tell me the answer.
Pakistan is situated in southern side of Asia. In the southwestern Pakistan is Iran. In the east side is India.
Okay, well done. Well done. You can only write down the answer. Pakistan is situated in the southern side of Asia. This is the right answer. Is it clear? So, Pakistan is situated in the southern side of Asia. Is it clear? Okay. Write down the answer, beta, all of you. Pakistan is located in the southern side of Asia. And show me your answers, beta. Hurry up. 1 minute left. Very good, beta. Anyways, Faliha, Maida, and Hamza. Well done. Okay,
मिस
Hassan.
आपने मुझे भी नहीं देखा, आप मेरा देखें, मैं ऐसे ही लिखता
Beta,
हूँ।
be focused towards your lecture, and when I ask you the question, then you have to give me the answer. Otherwise, turn off your mic and do your work. Okay, Nurulan, beta, show me your copy. Shahira, beta, are you there? Turn on your camera. Abdulahad, beta, turn on your camera. Yes, beta, show me your copies. Yes. Laiba Najib is writing the answer, and then I can see the answer of Muhammad Hassan. Yes, Hassan? Okay, well done. And Ishal. Yes, Ishal. Okay, well
Miss,
done. So,
Miss,
answer is Pakistan is situated in the southern side of Asia. Okay, raise your hands, beta. Are you with me? Have you done? Raise your hands, all of you. Okay, well done. Okay, well done. Rest of the students, beta, you have to do your work within the specific time. So do your work. Hurry up, beta. Write down the answers. Show me your hands. Raise your hands. Okay, well done. Well done, all of you. Okay, next question is write down the location of Wakhan. I told you in the start of my lecture, there is a narrow strip of Wakhan there, and which is the right location of the narrow strip of Wakhan. So, first of all, you have to write down your question, then you have to give me the answer. So, write down the second question is write down the location of Wakhan. Show me your copies, beta. Faliha, Laiba, yes, I can see Muhammad Hassan. Muhammad Hassan is very active in the class, mashallah, Laiba and Hamza as well. All of you better turn on your cameras and show me your copies. Fozia Fawad, beta, turn on your cameras. Zimel, Rumessa, beta, turn on your cameras. Nurulen, beta, turn on your camera and write down the question. Write down the location of Bakhan. Okay. Rohab, beta, tell me the answer. And after Rohab, Rumesa will give me the answer. Okay, Rohab, beta, give me your answer. What is the location of Bakhan? Hurry up, beta, Rumesa. Have you done your question? Give me your answer, beta. Rumesa,
मिस मैं बताऊं
बताइए.
there is a narrow strip here going from the Pakistan to Afghan.
Okay. To some extent, your question answer is right, but I want to take a specific answer, right answer. So, who will give me the answer? Yes, Laiba beta, tell me the answer. Yes, Rumesa. First of all, you have to give me the answer. Hurry up, beta.
Assalamu alaikum, Miss.
Walaikum assalam, beta.
Miss
Yes.
Vagan is in the west of China.
Very good. You can say that Wakhan, but I ask you the exact location of Wakhan. It is obviously it is in the west of China, but give me the specific answer. You are right, but your answer is not complete. Give me a full answer, a complete answer. Yes, beta. Okay, Laiba, give me your answer. Yes, Laiba, beta.
A small strip of
Give me the answer. Okay. So as Rumesa told us that it is in the west of China, and actually this is a narrow strip which is called the tongue of Wakhan, and it is related to Afghanistan territory which separates Pakistan and Afghanistan. Is it clear? Wakhan is a narrow strip which separates Pakistan and Afghanistan, and it is also called the tongue of Wakhan. Write down the answer, beta. Okay, write down the answer. Hurry up and show me your copies. Actually, you can say that it is a small strip of Wakhan, which is a small strip, and it is known as a tongue of Wakhan, which separates Pakistan and Afghanistan. Okay, show me your copies. Abdullahad beta, I'm saying that turn on your camera. Shahira, I can't see anything. Beta, turn on your camera. Check your camera and show me your copy. Ishal Ali, Nurulan, beta, all of you turn on your cameras. Okay, raise your hands. Well done. Shahira have done. Laiba. Beta, raise your hands. Have you done? Very good. Very good. Sania have done. Ishal. Then Maida. Okay. Abdullahad. Very good. Faliha. Faliha beta, have you done? Fozia, are you there?
Yes, miss.
Okay, Fozia. Have you done? Hafsa Shahzad beta, turn on your camera. Hafsa and Hamza Mujtaba, Rohab Rumesa. Beta, all of you turn on your cameras. Zimil, show me your copy beta. Yes beta. Sheikh Mohammed Zaid. Beta, turn on your cameras. Very good. Shiza is showing her copy. Shiza beta, turn on your camera. Okay beta, write down in the meanwhile Shiza is showing her copy. Beta, थोड़ा सा close कीजिए Shiza. Okay. Laiba beta, show me your copy. And third question is, write down the names of 3 seaports which are located on the coastal areas of Arabian Sea. Very good, Laiba. Very good. Good answer. Well done. Yes, I can see your copy, beta. Well done. Okay, third question is, write down the names of 3 seaports which are located on the coastal areas of Arabian Sea. I repeat, write down the names of 3 seaports which are located on the coastal areas of Arabian Sea. Very good. Who is this? Ishal. Yes, Ishal have done the answer, and these 3 areas which are the located on the coastal area of Arabian Sea. 3 seaports are Karachi Port, Port Qasim, and Gwadar Port. Is it clear? Okay. Well done, Ishal beta. Well done. Okay, beta, write down the 3 seaports which are located on the coastal area of Arabian Sea. First of all, yes, beta. Anyone else who have done this? Who has done this question? Beta, you are all not turning on your cameras. Now I will put you all in the waiting room. And I mean it. Turn on your cameras, beta. Yes, Zimil. Show me your copy, beta. Zimil. Hafsa. Yes, Rumesa. Okay. Zimil, beta, show me your answer. Yes, Rumesa. You have 2 minutes, beta. This is very short answer. So give me the answer. Show me your copies. Well done, Muhammad Hassan. Very good. Very good. These three coastal areas, or you can these three seaports which are located on the coastal area of Arabian Sea are Karachi Port, Port Qasim, and Gwadar Port. You can see the copies of Rumesa and Hassan. Very good, all of you. Very good. Very good. Okay. Raise your hands, beta. Have you done? All of you? Raise your hands. Hurry up. Ishal beta, Faliha, Fozia, Falak. Falak Sher, are you there in the class? Give me the next answer, beta Falak Sher. Okay, next question is, what do you know about the transit route of Afghanistan? What do you know about the transit route of Afghanistan? क्या है ये transit route? Write down the question and then give me the answer. Falak Sher beta, give me the answer. What do you know about the transit route of Afghanistan? Yes, Rumesa, I can see your answer. You are writing the answer number 2 and then you have done your answer number 3. No, now question number 4. What do you know about the transit route of Afghanistan? Hurry up, beta. We have 8 minutes left. Okay. Falak share, beta. Yes, okay, Shiza. Give me the answer. Shiza, give me the answer. What do you know about the transit route of Afghanistan? Yes, beta. Shiza, are you there? Yes. Who will give me the answer? Yes.
James,
Give me the answer. Abdul Rahman.
let Pakistan provide transit route to Afghanistan for its trade through land and
And
sea.
sea. Very good. Pakistan provides a transit route to Afghanistan for its trade through land and sea. Very good. Pakistan provides a transit route to Afghanistan for its trade through land and sea. So write down the answer. Hurry up, beta. Write down the answer and show me your copy. Pakistan provides a transit route to Afghanistan. Yes, through land and sea. Pakistan provides a transit route to Afghanistan for its trade through land and sea. Well done. Raise your hands, beta. Okay, Muhammad Hassan. Very good. Zimil beta, Ishal, Hamza, show me your copies. Where is Maida? Maida beta, turn on your camera. Hafsa Shahzad, you are not turning on your camera beta. Palak share beta. Where are you beta? Falak share. You are not giving the answer of any single question. Raise your hands beta. Have you done? Abdul Rahman beta, turn off your mic. Okay. Show me your copies. Only Laiba, Rumesa, and Hassan are showing me their copies. Where is Nurulan? Nurulan, better turn on your camera and show me your copy. Okay, Shiza. Show me your copy better closely. Okay, very good. Well done. Okay, next question is very easy question. Which is the main dispute between India and Pakistan? Which is the main dispute between India and Pakistan? Okay, beta, give me answer, Hafsa, beta. Give me the answer. Hurry up. Yes, Sheikh Mohammed Zaid, you are raising your hand, beta. Give me the answer. Yes, Sheikh Mohammed Zaid, beta. Otherwise, you have to turn on your camera, beta. Show me your copy. Raise your hands, beta. Have you done? Yes. Okay, Sheikh Mohammed Zaid, beta. Show me your copy. Very good. Which is the major dispute between India and Pakistan? Yes, Kashmir is the main dispute between India and Pakistan. Very good. Kashmir, yes, Maida, I can see your copy. I can see the copy of Sheikh Mohammed Zaid. Well done, all of you, beta. Very good. Kashmir is the main dispute between India and Pakistan. Okay. The last question, which is explain these. इनको एक्सप्लेन कीजिए. ECO, ECO and FATA, FATA, ECO and FATA. Okay, who will give me the answer? Beta, we have 3 minutes left, and give me the answer. Hurry up, beta. Raise your hands. Okay, Ishal. Yes, Ishal, beta. Give me the answer. What is the meaning of ECO?
ECO, Economic Cooperation Organization.
Yes, Economic Cooperation Organization. Well done. Economic,
FATA,
नहीं, बस यही लिखिए आप. Economic Cooperation Organization. And which is this organization? Iran and Turkey, along with Pakistan, are the members of this organization. So, this organization has strengthened friendly relationship with the member countries, and these countries have signed a number of projects of mutual interest. So, this organization is basically based on 3 countries, Iran, Turkey, and Pakistan. And they have signed much projects, many of the projects for their mutual interest under the flag of this organization. So ECO means Economic Cooperation Organization. Well done, beta. And what is the meaning of FATA?
Miss,
Yes, beta.
Federal Administration Tribal Areas.
Yes, federally administered tribal areas. Federally, देखें, F mean federally, A areas, tribal, administration या administered भी आप कह सकते हैं. Federally administered tribal areas. Federally administered tribal areas. And I told you that these areas are directly administered by the federal government. These areas, tribal areas, are not administered by any province, but these areas are administered by federal. Okay, beta, well done, all of you. Show me your last question. We have last 1 minute left. And well done, all of you. Good work. Mashallah, Rumesa is showing her copy. Shiza, Muhammad Hassan. Well done, all of you. Rumesa, Ishal, Maida, Abdur Rahman. Very good, beta. Well done, all of you. Complete this last question. Federally administered tribal areas. Have you done, all of you? Okay, raise your hands, beta. That's all for today, beta. Thank you so much. Well done, well done. I can see your hands. Okay. Thank you so much.
मिस ये जब हमारे पास कॉपी बनाएगी तो ये उसमें